This is the Galaxy Chromebook. It's new for 2020 from Samsung. I have the red version. I'm Josh Smith with GottaBeMobile.com. We're going to take a look at this $1,000 Chromebook. So here you see a beautiful red finish. We have silver accent along the side, volume control, USB-C, headphone jack. On the other side, micro SD card, power button, and then what's hidden behind this little security device here is a spot for a matching S Pen. So you have pen support built into this. So we open it up. We have a beautiful 4K display. This has an Intel Core i5 10th gen processor. The keyboard is a lot better than I expected. The travel is very nice for such a slim device. The key spacing is really good. Overall, this is a really nice keyboard. We have Wi-Fi 6, 8 gig of RAM, 256 gig SSD built in here. I like this touchpad. It performs really nicely. This is running Chrome OS, so you can get access to productivity, to games, all kinds of stuff. This 13.3-inch 4K display looks really good. There is a camera that's built in. It's right in here. It's really like a 0.3 megapixel. It's not that great, but you know, for a video conference, it might come in handy. Now, this is a convertible style device, so you can kind of move it around. It doesn't fully close, at least this unit that we're testing doesn't fully close out like this, but for tent mode, if you're going to be playing a game or watching a movie or something on an airplane, that's really handy. And the hinge design feels really solid. Very responsive to switch back and forth as I move this around. Also, it can lay flat, so if you want to be taking notes in something with your S Pen, you can do that in this type of setup. So that's a really cool option. This is definitely a premium Chromebook at $1,000, but if you're looking for something that fits that bill, you definitely need to check this out.